Today we're diving into the mystical realm of female pleasure zones. We've done the legwork and the bodywork to bring you the inside scoop on where women like to be touched. Before we jump in, why not give your love life a boost? Check the link in the description or pinned comment to book a free 60-minute strategy call with our dating coaches. 1. The breasts. The classic crowd pleasers. But before you go honking these like bike horns, listen up. Women aren't joking when they say gentle is the way to go. Think of breasts as delicate flowers, not stress balls. Start with light caresses, maybe trace a figure 8 around the nipples. And for the love of all things holy, don't pinch unless she specifically asks for it. Remember, you're aiming for ooh la la, not youch. Pro tip, pay attention to her reactions. If she's arching her back or making happy noises, you're on the right track. If she's wincing or trying to subtly move your hand away, ease up, champ. And hey, don't neglect the often forgotten underboob area. A gentle upward stroke there can send shivers up her spine. Just don't tickle, unless you want to turn your sexy time into a giggle fest. 2. The lower back. All right, gents, time to go down south, but not that far south. We're talking about the lower back, that magical expanse just above the booty. This area is like a hotline to Pleasureville, and here's why. It's packed with nerve endings that connect to the pelvis. Ding, ding, ding. Start with your fingertips, lightly tracing patterns, or writing secret messages. Maybe your phone number, just in case she forgets. Gradually increase pressure, but keep it smooth. Think of yourself as a human paintbrush, creating a masterpiece of sensation. And if you're feeling bold, try a gentle kiss or two. Just watch out for that ticklish spot, unless you want to turn your makeout session into a rodeo. Remember, the lower back is also great for building anticipation. It's like the opening act before the main event. So take your time, enjoy the show, and watch her melt like butter on a hot pancake. 3. The thighs. All right, fellas, we're entering the danger zone. The inner thighs are like the VIP section of the leg club. They're so close to the main event, yet so far. This is where you become the master of tease, the sultan of suspense. Start on the knee and work your way up slowly. I'm talking glacier speed here. Use your fingertips to trace light patterns. Circles, figure 8s, your signature, if you're feeling fancy. The key is to be gentle and unpredictable. Mix it up. Go from light touches to slightly firmer strokes, then back to feather light. It's like playing a game of how much can she handle before she tackles you. But remember, this isn't a race to the finish line. The inner thighs are all about building anticipation. It's like edging, but for her whole body. So take your time, enjoy the journey, and watch her squirm, in a good way. Just don't be surprised if she suddenly grabs your hand and moves it where she really wants it. 4. The nape of the neck. All right, lads, we're heading north to a little slice of heaven known as the nape of the neck. This spot is like a secret button that turns women into purring kittens. It's sensitive, it's sexy, and it's often tragically neglected. Start by gently brushing her hair aside. That alone can send tingles down her spine. Then, use your fingertips to trace light patterns. Think of yourself as a neck DJ, spinning tracks of pleasure. Mix it up with soft kisses, gentle nibbles, and maybe even a little warm breath. Here's a pro move. While you're working your magic on her neck, use your other hand to caress her arm or waist. It's like surround sound for her body. Just be prepared for some serious shivers. You might want to have a blanket handy. Remember, the nape of the neck is connected to the scalp, so don't be afraid to venture up into her hairline. Just don't get your fingers tangled. Nothing kills the mood faster than an impromptu detangling session. Appreciating the advice? If you want to dive deeper, our free 60-minute strategy call is perfect for those ready to change their dating dynamics. Learn powerful strategies to meet more women and build your confidence. Secure your spot via the link in the pinned comment. 5. The buttocks. All right, gents, we've reached the back 40, the gluteus maximus, the booty. This is prime real estate in the world of pleasure, but handle with care. You're not kneading dough for a pizza here. Start with gentle caresses, using your whole hand to appreciate the curve. Think of it like you're polishing a very precious and very curvy vase. Gradually increase pressure, maybe throw in a gentle squeeze or two. But remember, we're aiming for, ooh, that feels nice, not eek, I think I just got a bruise. Mix it up with some light circular motions, or even a gentle massage. And here's a pro tip. The area where the buttocks meet the thighs is often super sensitive. A light stroke there can send shivers up her spine. But fellas, a word of caution. Don't go exploring without an invitation. The buttocks are like Vegas. What happens there, stays there, unless you get explicit permission to venture further. Keep it classy, and she'll be putty in your hands. 6. The hips. Listen up, lads. We're sailing into the curvy waters of hip territory. This isn't just about physical pleasure. It's about connection, baby. Holding her hips is like grabbing the steering wheel of a Ferrari. It's powerful, it's intimate, and it can drive her wild. Start with a gentle grip, your thumbs resting on her hip bones. Feel that curve? That's the highway to heaven, my friends. Slowly trace the outline with your fingertips, like you're memorizing a map. And trust me, you'll want to. Mix it up with some gentle squeezes or circular motions. Here's where it gets fun. Use her hips to guide her. Pull her closer or sway together like you're dancing to a silent song. It's primal, it's passionate, and it shows her you're fully present in the moment. But remember, hips don't lie. If she tenses up or moves away, respect that. The goal is to make her feel desired, not manhandled. Master this move, and you'll be the hip whisperer in no time. 7. The shoulders. All right, team, we're wrapping up with the often overlooked MVPs of intimacy, the shoulders. These bad boys carry the weight of the world, and it's your job to make them feel light as a feather. Start with a gentle squeeze, letting your hands mold to the curve of her shoulders. Think of yourself as a stress-busting superhero, here to save the day and maybe get the girl. Use your thumbs to work out any knots you find. Just don't go full Hulk mode. We're aiming for, that's nice, not ouch, I think you just dislocated something. Mix it up with some light kisses along the shoulder blade, or trace the line from her neck to her arm with your fingertips. It's like connecting the dots, but way sexier. Here's a pro move. While you're working those shoulders, whisper something sweet or spicy in her ear. The combination of physical touch and your voice can be absolutely electrifying. Just make sure your breath is fresh. Nothing ruins the mood faster than onion breath. So now that you know where to touch her, what's next for you? Discover the simple ways to make girls obsessed with you, or learn how to spot the signs she hasn't had sex for a long time. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.